I'm in the middle of filming this parcel from Safya, and the camera, this is the new camera, so I'm just trying it out, and for some reason it cut off. So I'm just going to carry on from here, see if it cuts off again. I will have to go backwards here because you didn't see everything then. This parcel came from Safya, and she is just amazing. She lives in India. She's a mom, and lives at home, or not at home, but with her husband, and she has two grown boys. And she's just so sweet and so kind, and we've made friends with each other, and it's just amazing. She is, along with very many other wonderful people I've met on here, going to be one of my lifelong friends. She is just so genuine and so sweet and so interesting and so willing to share. So, I want to know about her life and what is happening with her and how she got married and, why they got married and what's happened in their life. And she's willing to share that with me. And I love that. So she is just a sweetheart, and I'm so happy to know her. But she sells these kits, and this is not the first one I've bought, but this is one. And this is what it came, all wrapped up with this beautiful bow with these gorgeous dangles, and this was all tied up in a gorgeous bow, and then it had this on it, and then inside was this one was a pink kit that I ordered. And look at this fabric. I mean, it sparkles every way you turn it. And then you open it, and inside she had these, I don't know what they're called, but there was these on the top, and then this one, and then this amazing card was in there. And look at the pictures on this card, and all sparkly. It's got a whole menu of something, but I don't, of course, understand what anything means. But it's sure nice to look at the card. It's really, really interesting. So then we have the pink kit, and this first piece of fabric, it's silk, but it feels like it must have paper on the back. Yeah, you must take the paper off, but talk about neat. And then it stays nice and smooth. And then we have some sparkly fabrics with it. And this one just sparkles up a storm. And they don't come off either, which is nice. And then this amazing, amazing fabric. Look at that. I mean, that is the coolest fabric ever. And then we have this one that she sent. And this one. And then this one. Lots and lots of glitz. So she's a mom. She stays home, and her husband has I believe it's a rug cleaning business, and it's called Dust Fairies. And she, cuts up some fabric samples on the side and sells them, and she makes a few extra dollars. Something, like a lot of people do. Myself, I don't make a lot of money at it, but I hope to sell maybe some of these. I have a lot of sari that I need to cut up for you guys. I just have not done it yet. This is a weave, so it will fray as well. And then this one, oh, this is so beautiful. Just look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Nummy. And then this one, just beautiful. And this is kind of heavy too. You know, it would easily make a cover, easily, for a book. So very nice. And then we have this one. And this one. And I love the way this one drapes. It is so nice. It just drapes over so beautifully. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then we have this one. And yum. Look at how gorgeous that is. So beautiful. And then we have this piece. This is double. And it's got all these birds all over it. But, so anyway, I bought this one from her. I have bought others. And I got this one. And, you know, when I bought, then we got to know each other. And we've become just amazing friends. And I just adore her. She's so sweet, so willing to share um, about her life and the things that happen there. And it's so interesting to me because it's so different from what happens here in our lives. So, and I don't know how interesting my life is to her, but we kind of chat back and forth, and she's amazing. I really like her. She's just a super wonderful lady. So it come all bundled up with this beautiful thing, and then this tied on it, and the dangles, and beautiful. So then she's included something for me. Now, I bought this for me, but I didn't buy this stuff. She sent a couple of extra packages, and I don't believe these were included in the pink one. So, and we've decided to do another trade. So I'm sending her very Western type wedding dress pieces and things like that obviously she doesn't find over there. And they have garage sales and stuff, so she goes to those too. So it has this tied around it, this gorgeous twine. And then here's another one of those decals inside with a little mirror in it. And then this, it's just a wrapped up bunch of of whatever these appliques, or she's just wrapped them all up together. I've got a hook on my nail there, and this one, and then we have this gold beauty. Look at that. And then we have silver. Gorgeous. And then gold again. And a blue with gold. Isn't that gorgeous? I have to cut that nail. It's driving me crazy. And then this one, I'll just take the tape off of it. And there we have that one. I really like this one. That's very, very pretty. Love that. So there's quite a bit of this one too. I like that. Mm. And then take this one. So much gold sparkle in their country. It's amazing. And everything is so pretty. And then we have, oh, there's two here. We have this one. And then we have this one. And then this is gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, yummy. There's a fair amount of that as well. And I'll just take those off of there. Then we have the green one with the gold. And this one is kind of like a burlap, but not really. It's woven, but very interesting. And then, of course, this gorgeous one. So yeah, those are all a gift for me, I believe. It could have been part of the pink kit, but I'm not positive. So I'll just put those over there. And then, sorry for the crinkling. This was in here, and here is one of those again. And she always sends a little thank you. And she wrote me a little note. She's just a sweetheart. That's personal, so I'm not going to read it to you. But, oh, and it had these little, you just glue them on your, I would imagine they use them on their body, but aren't they neat? So pretty. And then in there was this, look at this fabric. Isn't that gorgeous? And then the back side is gold. I mean, gee whiz. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Oh, that is so beautiful. It's just nummy. And that's not all. Then we have this one. And sorry about that. I like light fabrics. So she said, extra light colored fabric, happy mail for me. So this is on the top. And then inside was these ones. And oh my goodness, aren't they gorgeous? Look at that teal. Wow. Teal and gold. That is amazing. And then we have this one, pink and gold. And I love that. Wow. So pretty. I love them all. I love this one. Orange is not really my thing, but I like this one. And it's much oranger than it appears on there. Very pretty. Like little daisies. I don't even know which side is up. They seem to have it on both, like it's raised stitching on both sides. It's identical. So you could use either way and it's perfect. Was that ever nice? And then we have this one. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that something? Wow. I just love that. Yum. The whole piece. And then there's more down on the bottom. Just gorgeous. Stunning. Stunning fabrics. Amazing. Amazing fabrics. And you know what? I don't have time to do anything, so I just look at them and dream about the things I'm going to make. Look at that. Wow. It is so gorgeous. So absolutely stunning. Amazing. And she picked these out because she knew that I would like these ones. And she is so right. I love every little ounce of them. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'd love a jacket made out of this to wear over you know, a little blouse and then a pair of slacks. I'd love a jacket out of that or a blouse. But it's beautiful. And then we have this one. Look at that. Just look at that. Isn't that stunning? Wow. Now I want to make myself a quilt with beautiful laces and beautiful light, beautiful fabrics. Now this would have to be dry cleaned, I know, but if I make myself this quilt, I'm sure my kids, my daughters-in-law, will be fighting over it when I'm gone. It is going to be gorgeous. And it doesn't stop there. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Amazing. It is so beautiful. I wish I could read what these tags say, but I can't. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And then, of course, the one it was wrapped in is this one. And that's lovely as well. Just so pretty. So yeah, I feel very, very spoiled. These are so gorgeous and it's such a beautiful gift. And she does makeup kits and I'm probably, cutting off my nose despite my face, telling you about her because I have lots of sorry I want to sell to you guys. But she is such a sweet lady and such a good friend. And she is a really good friend. I talked to her one time when I was really not well, not feeling well at all. And she almost had me going to the hospital. But I mean, she's sincerely just a genuine, neat person. So you gotta love her. And I do. She's just a sweetheart. I have met so many amazing people. It's just wonderful. Anyway, this was my present that came from India, and I wanted to show you guys, so I got the new camera, so I figured, what the heck, I'll do this now and see how it works out. So thank you all for watching. Thank you so much, Safya. And I'm sure I butcher your name. I don't pronounce it right, but I do try. And thank you, everyone, for watching. And I will talk to you soon. Bye now.